How to fix Discord keep loading. Today guys, I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first, now you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go now directly to apps. On apps, you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will now open just uh, Discord. When you open Discord, go directly to storage and go to clear data. Click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now the last things is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another videos.